we're gonna take it to CarMax. So this isn't exactly a carbon fiber Bugatti, but we're gonna send it and see if they give us more than I don't know, 500 bucks. The muffler back on because CarMax might like that.
They're like, oh, look at this piece of shit.
That discreet video. Don't worry about that. So I have the CarMax value right here. What do you think they gave me for it? Just random guess. Here is the offer. $700. $700, that's all they were willing to give me. Whatever. I did sell the car.